Changing your ringtone or volume on iPhone usually takes way too many steps. But what if you could do it instantly, right from your home screen or control center? In this video, I'll show you a powerful trick that lets you change media volume, change ringtone volume without even opening settings. And once you set this up, you'll never go back. First, open the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, you can download it for free from the App Store. Now, follow these steps carefully. Tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap on Add Action. In the search bar, type Set Volume, then tap on it. Now, we're going to configure this. Tap on Media. Make sure it stays on Media. Then tap Ask each time. Next, tap and hold the percentage, which is like 50% here. Change it to Ask each time. Now your media volume is dynamic. Now, let's add the second part, which is the ringtone control. Tap Add Action again and search for Set Volume and tap on it. Now, tap on Media, change it to Ringtone, okay? Then tap it again and set it to Ask each time. Then again, tap and hold the percentage, set it to Ask each time. Now, your shortcut controls both media and ringtone are ready. Of course, you can customize it. Tap the arrow at the top, rename it something like volume control, choose an icon, add it to your home screen. This part is optional, but it makes it much easier to access. Tap Add to Home Screen. Choose any icon or image you want, then tap Add. Now your shortcut is right on your home screen. Now here is the fun part. Tap the shortcut. You'll get two options, Media, Ringtone. Let's say you tap Media. Now just slide left or right to adjust the volume. Tap Done, and that's it. Same thing with Ringtone. Super fast, no settings, no digging. But we can make it this even better. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap and hold anywhere. Tap Add Control. Now search for shortcuts. Tap Run Shortcut. Then tap Choose. Select the shortcut you just created and boom, it's now in your Control Center. Now when you tap it from Control Center, you instantly get Media, Ringtone. Pick one, adjust, then Done. That's it. This is perfect if you change volume often, want faster control, or just love smart iPhone shortcuts. It saves time every single day. Now you've got a powerful shortcut most iPhone users don't even know exists. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more smart iPhone tips. And trust me, once you start using shortcuts like this, your iPhone feels completely different. Would you use this from home screen or control center? Leave a comment.